today let's open this flashlight that I bought for like a few $100s, bro. This is so expensive, bro. I literally said for this. Let's open it. The f. Wow, styrofoam underneath the styrofoam. Wow, the flashlight. See, feel the flash. What's underneath the flashlight? The bottom is just more styrofoam, so as you can see, it's a pretty high quality flashlight. I think it's one of the brightest in the world, right? I don't know. I think like I haven't researched enough yet, so don't blame me though. I'll test it in 3, 2, 1. What? Turns out this flashlight need a specific battery to function, so I finally bought the battery. It took like a kajillion years to arrive. Now I'm poor. Then screw it in. I don't know why am I using one hand. I should use 2 hands for this. And this should work now. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yo! Yo, you see? Yo, it's... Shit. Bro, you see? It's actually pretty bright. Right? It's actually pretty bright. I want to go outside to test it out. Let me pack my thing. We are now at the spot. As you can see, it's very dark. So it would be a perfect spot to test out my new flashlight. Right. So, right. 3, 2, 1. It's not even that bright, bro. Huh? You said it's one of the brightest in the world. How is this possible, bro? What the hell? Bro, this doesn't even make sense, but it turns out that it has a turbo mode and a high mode. So let's test out the high mode first, alright. High mode in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, bro. What the fuck? Yo. Alright, let's test out the turbo mode in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. It literally is like a stadium light, bro. It's literally brighter than a stadium. It shines through the whole thing, bro. Oh my gosh. Right, second spot. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. I might get complaints, so. A good flashlight.